is Hillary from Gate City Design, and I have a very quick DIY video. I was trying to make some centerpieces to go on my table and my kitchen island, so I went to the Dollar Tree and got some very lightweight, chrome-plated little platters to go underneath the candles that I got. So I got a mason jar, some sand, and I got some tea lights. And so with this one element, I'm putting some white sand in the bottom of the mason jar, and the mason jar lid has a built-in area for a tea light. So I put a white tea light in the candle and then put some white sand at the bottom and lit up. It looks really pretty. And then to go with that, I had a white pillar, and it was just a white candle in a long, tall jar. So kind of self-contained. It doesn't really need anything done to it, but it accents really nicely. It's tall, so that goes well with the medium height of the mason jar. And then I got a square-shaped glass with some beach glass pieces. So the beach glass pieces I put at the bottom of the container and then put a tea light on top of it. So as you can see, all lit up, it looks really pretty. It looks a lot more expensive than it was. Each element cost $1. And then for the next piece, I bought a couple of the white pillars. So you could pair this up with white pillars, or you could use the other jar that I also have that I'll show you. But I got a couple of very basic glass, tall, skinny tea light holders, and I put the tea lights in them. And so it's nice and simple. It looks clean. It looks pretty. So if you don't want to go as basic as that, what you can do is take a taller element, which I have in the background there, and I got some more of those beach glass beads. So I got those in a variety of colors that would go really, really well with my house, which is more of gray tones to white. And so I put the green and the blue and the white beach glass pieces into the tall container and filled it most of the way up with those. And there wasn't room for a tea light or a candle or anything, but if it's a background piece against the other two white tea lights, it looks really nice. So I will show you the final result in just a second. I struggled a little bit to get those pieces of beach glass into the container, but it looks really nice all together. It was just kind of a nice, cozy beach or modern farmhouse theme. And there's the completed setup right there with the first one that I did, and then that's the second one that I did. And they, like I said, all of the elements of those cost $1 a piece. So even the tray was $1, the glass pieces were each $1, the container of tea lights was $1, and the beach glass and sand were each $1. So I think I spent around $6 or $7 for each of those centerpieces, and it looks good enough that I actually have them in my kitchen and I have them on my dining room table right now. And I think they look lovely. Till next time, like, share, subscribe. See you later. Bye.